Sulfania. Place your smell very handy. If a face blue keeps your face cool. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining me in the podcast for today. Today, in the first topic, a series of podcasts, financial literacy. Me, Verani Jacob. Suppose you know, subscribe to the YouTube channel for me. Click the subscribe button below. More click the one notification bell. Blow time where we put them out all new content. You start get notified. All content me and mainly to do with them financial literacy, particularly law, business, financial management. So welcome back again. More follow me as you may go through law topic me this morning by me understanding better financial management or business financial management. After law topic today by me discussing, I got some tools where me provide them to you, me helping you start them journey you start mastering financial management inside the business play. So bear with me by me go through law small story after me put them all tools here. You have got access to help me helping you look where place now you stop inside the business play. Thank you. Follow me as you go. Don't forget, click subscribe, click the notification bell, you have to stay updated with the more content where you start put them out or channel play me. So business financial management. One of business financial management. Business financial management and how you plan them, you record them, or you control them, use the money inside the business play. Don't forget them. How do you plan them? How do you record them? Or how do you control them? Use the money inside the business play. Very key, important something. But take a new place here. You got all steps where you must follow. So suppose you follow me got some end of video here, by you may get more clarity or something more helping you with them all tools to move forward. So when I'm meaning time where you may tell them, say you may plan them, you may record them, you may control them, use the money inside the business play. So tell me about how no money may come inside the business play. You must have how no money may come inside the business play. How no money may go outside the business for you. After you make sure so you got enough cash flow, you start keep running business for you and making sure say you make a decision for you based on all numbers and not just guessing. You come out mindset, me guess no more say price for something and me pamisalem lo amount ya now. Or me guess no more say and plemanis me make one profit blame no. Time by me go through the place or story and me by me helping you blow. You know, use some guessing method, please to guess, but you use some all numbers where you come inside the business plan now, you look clear it was one and we have a price more product for me or how much profit na me make them end monies. Okay, so I mean your decisions where you have a take time you make them financial management, the business for you is strong. And financial management and me also you make sure say business for you and remain profitable, more and sustainable. Dr. minimum you make sure say business for you start at one win blow money lo end the day, more and sustainable and meaning say and save got enough money blow and run them one equal all along equal. You know, but you start continue to start feeding them. So I mean business financial management. Key message you want to let them you may love business financial management say you know have manage one where you know have look. Okay, so unless you have how much money is come inside, how much money is come outside, the place na you have manage. But you know have you start come no more same you start guess na become one problem inside the business. You know time you make more something blow you custom business all product you low to mass or you start guessing, you start at on profit at the end of the day, or you start look say all cash flow you start come inside and your profit business for you, the place na by start making more mistakes. So key message, you know survey managing one way you know survey look. Okay, so even you one small market vendor where you look say maybe you start making 120 vatu, you look 20 vatu sales say you look say any small to mass. You start them disciplining you, financial management, place say you start them record the money will come inside, no money will go inside, go outside, place where you start them disciplining you, then you're moving forward, you have a master input financial management inside the business for you. Growth and start place now. So from now financial literacy any matter or one small business. Emi help him you blue track and performance with business play. Emi help him you blue look say yes, Mr. Make him one, Mr. Spend them time blue me create the one product blue me. Me spend them time blue me kukumol kakai blue me. Me spend them too much effort blue me lah. Me pay cash, me pay kakai, me can pay more man blow work, and me worth effort when me put them inside lah and me make money we cover my all expenses. So importance for tracking business blue you performance plan. Me now financial management and me help me blue track and performance for business blue. You savvy say which product now, but you savvy invest more. Sometimes you cut too much product after you know savvy say which one is to make more money come inside the business blue, or which one is to drain them out full of money inside the business blue, but you know to make money come inside. So I'm importance of financial literacy inside the business blue. Me also now, I'm from all something also, man. I'm helping you avoid overspending too inside the business blue. But you come aware all the time you come survey all expenses for you come make them you aware now or you come survey now say, oh, Mr. Spend them some money low, something yeah, but unnecessary something no, I mean make one could impact they come back to business for me. Okay, so and then me helping you place too. So time you track it, but me helping you look say something in your unnecessary expense or unnecessary cost, cut them out. Yeah, so I'm helping you overspending your business. You avoid them overspending your business for you. More I'm helping you mixing personal with business money for you too. So then when you start recording, but you say okay, money I'm karama please ya, and from business. So since Mr. Karama to go personal, naya bahemi kaman it trigger one red alert lunas and mino shusta karama me use my personal expenses for me. So I mean something with financial literacy and important to helping you look sabe some one limits for you or where place you sabe ko or where place you no sabe ko and helping you to price some product for you correctly full up MSMEs or when that's full of small business by sometimes you think use the price and product you use the underprice you make him sell at end of the day but you look the business play minus the grow you start continue for you sell the money come there you still need profiting back business play so with them own personal money play make them run so that's why I make them say you can put the new inside the business play where you clearly separate them from the underpriced small product play. Okay, so I mean want something where financial literacy make them too helping you price and quote all product play. One more something in helping you have a growing business for you. Then you understand them all numbers inside the business for you. You say, okay, we got enough profit, please have reinvest back to business and helping you, but you start expanding business for you now. When we make a new please have say, yes, Mr. Look one growth inside the business for me. So I mean one more something to do with them problem important look at financial literacy. Now something increasing chance for you, please have a current support law outside. So say you want to go to one bank or you want them current one grant. But when they look say you got all financials blue and stuff in order, we make a good recording blue use so money will come inside, money will go outside them. Also you have make a one good report in helping you please have a current funding outside, please come helping business blue. Now something giving you confidence as a business owner. That way you got financial splits in place. You see you really sabe tell them say me business for me, Mr. Make most every money, sir. So you got confident but tell them say you sabe go outside, you make more deals outside and you confident blow cut all relationship, business relationships with them all companies to help them business play and grow. And you making you sabe making more good for decisions too about business primo, guess, guess. My business plan Mr. Make more semester make it good, make them good. When in fact, so you can make a financial recording the business plan, but you look say, Mr. One in place. Straight. So, MNI, Mr. something where any all helpful something, to make him say business for you, him start blow if follow financial literacy principles, more make him business play me grow. One of some common small mistakes where all mistakes were small business so they start making. Sometimes I mean also maybe tell them finish guess no more or something. You no keep him on record blue. You rely on brain blue say, oh Lord, they make him sales and me no report them be meeting for me so make him sales and you know service time you one small business owner you have too much something and me you know service store stop long time please they go make one something oh na you lose na me no sabe na write them down. So common mistakes we must make them time start keeping total record premium and making something we forget them all expenses premium every 10 baht we count so you forget them but you come back and you check them say no you spend the money low and again so I can so time we know how proper recording and one a mistake pro business premium yeah now something and you use mixing personal money with them business money premium make him say anytime you feel him say himself take money inside of business premium you know have clear separation from household expense premium with them business premium yeah? So all common mistakes we make him sometimes you may price more product you may wrong you may underprice more products just so that you may want them attract more customer can be at the end of the day you may try and best bagan you may fit him all wholly away you may not be cover my paper you may produce more next product premium so I may sample mistake we must make more wrong pricing for products premium you may guess more selling price let me say no we make him no more me make him spend so much time and effort from say size play small no more but me put on price and no more after me salem so you must guess another one or common mistakes when you make him one more poor stock management sometimes you overpay more stock you come after you know salem and you know start keep track of stock premium you look say you got some stock is not better one product you need to make a marketing blend to make him say or product they sale no you may overbuy more stock you may go stop after you the sale poor stock management sometimes more stock we you check them good or you get expired or you get damaged after you lose some money money you stuck inside all unsold stock so whenever you make them say you clear them out of stock okay so maybe one common mistake too is poor stock management now something where common mistake me time you budget or you no plan you spend no more you look say okay got enough cash available we spend them or you just spend you look say how not you winning back money come inside so no planning or no budget and one more something you may time it depend too much slow count and meaning say you may stop you may take him something low count say okay but me go one loan after me come help him business for me any good for something but you depend too much or you look say oh me not got enough cash flow me go money low first time you can't help me low please me alright but you depend too much low credit or you depend too much low count and you make him say you may not start planning what you mean you may take him too much items or too much product low credit or low count after you make him say repayment premium you may not have start repaying back or sometimes you may give him more customer limit too much count after you make him say naya business premium not got enough cash you come back let me help him to sustain and me go more so manage him count inside the business premium count him one put for something there you manage him no make him say then customer happy but you do business and Mr. Crow you know say by customer happy after business blue you neglect them you know collect them back all count blue one more common mistake blue me and you may not come back to start checking back and say business blue Mr. making profit or no come back I'm checking on books blue okay so you know making profit from one end money say me making one too much something one activity me making too much activity I mean necessary or no activity by make him say we got more business come next time or Mr. spend low activity then make want something come inside low business plan so every time must come back more regularly review business plan you say Mr. Work good or you need to cut them down some cost or you need to cut them down some stock with the haram you need to sell them some stock so come back more review more business view regularly you look say profit view good cash flow view and Mr. Good you need to adjust them something so you need to adjust them some plan view moving forward adjust them to make them say straight to them business priwa lo make MC lo profitability na with them sustainability to la tok tok we use lo beginning lo video ya. So yes, I think mana ni something we must help me pa me put two tools lo pisa we pa me help you lo you look you got one self assessment check lo business priwa and one tool lo pa me help me use you come your self assessment business priwa you start make more something ya or no pa me got one list pa you take him off. Suppose you take him off by kato one instruction ni gamot in list ya ale ba you look sa where place na you start strong business or you need an improvement or you start high risk business please start high risk so everyone self assessment check plo business play one financial check self assessment check where you use have use the business play plo I make tell me use it where now you start ale how about you may help you moving forward so pa mi put mo link plo all tools ya lo comment section below lo video ya mo use have access le monarla something where one of the tool ba mi putum tu hemi business money map and also one visual guide you blame help you look say how now money start coming mo go out inside the business plan yeah? So my name is to the tool so ba mi putum no comment section below you way no subscribe yet click the subscribe button more notification bell blow me help you blow get notified lo new episodes we must put them up back again by me colonna next episode me by me talk about more one am now and me so next episode me by me go through the me one am topic me talk about the next episode we are going to be talking about importance of bookkeeping lo business priwa. So follow me the next episode. I got all tools to you me give him out the next episode. Let me help me to carry forward now. So this time, thank you again, bro. Follow me lo video ya. But me kasi me one other time. Thank you Thomas plus support the me lo program ya. Don't forget click lo subscribe more notification bell blow you sabe cut more content also. Look in you.